Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Depositing money into your Wise account using a bank transfer is one of the most cost-effective methods, and it is crucial to follow the steps precisely to avoid unnecessary delays and fees. This process essentially involves treating Wise as a recipient and sending a local bank transfer to them. Now let's get to the step-by-step guide to depositing money. First, you need to initiate the deposit on Wise. First, log into your Wise account either on the app or this website right here. In here, now go ahead and navigate to the currency balance you wish to top up, e.g. USD, GBP or Euros, and select the Add Money or Receive option. You'll then be prompted to enter the exact amount you want to deposit and choose bank transfer as your payment method. Wise will instantly generate the specific local bank details you need for your transfer. These details typically include a bank name, account number, sort code or a routing number, and a unique reference number. Secondly, make the transfer from your bank. Next, you must leave the Wise platform and log into your personal online banking service or mobile app. Set up a standard local bank transfer to the Wise bank account details you just obtained. This step is critical. You are sending money from your bank to the local Wise bank account, which acts as a collection point. The most important action here is to include the unique reference number provided by Wise in the payment reference or narrative field of your bank transfer. This reference is the only way Wise can instantly link the incoming funds to your personal account. Thirdly, we have confirmation and processing now. After submitting the transfer from your bank, return to your Wise account and confirm that you have made the payment if prompted. Wise will typically send you an email confirmation once the funds arrive in their bank. The speed of the deposit depends on the sending currency and the transfer method used by your bank, but local bank transfers are usually processed within minutes to one working day. Now, let's get to avoiding fees and delays. To avoid delays and make the deposit free or low cost, follow these essential tips. First, always use the unique reference. This is the single most common cause of delays. If you forget to include the unique reference number, Wise cannot automatically match the deposit to your account. Another key thing is to pay in the same currency. When depositing to a specific currency balance in your Wise account, e.g. adding USD to your USD balance, make sure the transfer from your bank is also in that same currency. Sending a different currency will force an extra currency conversion and may incur unnecessary fees from both your bank and Wise. Another key thing is to use a domestic transfer. The bank transfer option on Wise is free for most currencies when you use a domestic payment method like ACH in the US, Faster Payments in the UK, or SEPA in Europe. Never choose an international wire or SWIFT transfer unless explicitly instructed, as these are slower and usually incur receiving fees from Wise. Another key thing is to match the account name. The name on the sending bank account must exactly match the name on your Wise account. Wise cannot accept third-party payments for a personal top-up due to anti-money laundering regulations. Also, send the exact amount. Sending more or less can flag the transaction and require manual intervention. So, by using the local bank transfer method, adhering to the unique reference number requirement, and ensuring the currency and account names match, you can typically deposit money into your Wise account quickly and with zero or very low fees. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.